Can you imagine being rich, being young, and then being the Prime Minister of the Philippines?
Wow.
You might be buying all the luxury cars,
Come on.
iPhones, both of your pockets.
Nice. Go.
Your motto is like big bike. You have the best cars. Rich young ruler, he's got it all together. But you know, it was so near to him that there's one thing that he's not sure of. If he's going to heaven or not.
Wow.
He's not sure if he's going to make it to heaven if he has eternal life. And he asks Jesus, what does it